students of class 12 with the one school. Hope you're all doing well. So today we will discuss some important portion from demand. Now as we are discussing demand, so first of all let us know what is demand. Okay, now you already know what is demand, right? Demand means when we want something, when we are willing to buy something. Now as you are student of economics, you are studying economics, you should know in detail what actually demand means. Okay, so demand of any commodity, you can say demand of any commodity is what is the you can say is a willingness and also the able. Demand of any commodity, okay, demand of any commodity of a consumer is the willingness to able is the willingness and you can say able to purchase at various possible price during a particular period. Now what is the meaning of this? That is, demand is not that you are only wanting a good, okay, but you are only desiring a good. When you are desiring a good, you should also have the capability to purchase that good. That means you should have that amount of money, okay, so to purchase that good. That is only desiring that good. We cannot say it is as a demand. Okay, when we will say as a demand, when we are having the willingness to buy, that is we are desiring the good also and we have the capability of buying that good also, then only we can say that we are demanding a good, okay, at a particular price and during a particular period. Okay, so this is the concept of demand. Okay, now a few more concept about demand I want to say you. Okay, what is an individual demand and what is a market demand? Individual demand means suppose there is a person A and person B. Okay, so there is a person A and there is a person B. Now person A is demanding something, suppose quantity Q1, and person B is quantity Q2. Now suppose person A and person B is constituting a market. Let us suppose this is a market which constitutes of only two consumers. They are A and B. Then A is the individual demand. This A's demand Q1 is the individual demand of A, and B's demand is Q2. This is the individual demand of B. Now together if we add them, we will get the market demand. Likewise, in our society or in our market, we have many individual, right? So if I am talking about any one person, one firm, one household, then it is an individual demand. Now if I am talking about the whole market, whole society, whole economy, then it is the market demand. Okay, so this is the concept of market demand and individual demand. Okay, now let us come to ex ante demand and ex post demand. Okay, so what is ex ante demand? Ex ante demand. Okay, ex ante demand is nothing but the what ante means that ex ante demand refers to the amount of good that the consumer want or willing to buy during a time period, and ex post demand is the refers to the amount of the good that the consumer actually buy. This ex ante means that the amount of the good that the consumer want to buy. They are not actually buying, they want to buy or they are willing to buy. And exposed means what they are actually buying. Okay, so ex ante demand is the amount of good that the consumer want to or willing to buy during a particular period. And X, suppose we are planning to buy 5 new shoes during this puja, okay, but it may happen that we have only 3000 rupees with us, and with that rupees 3000 we can buy only 4 when we have when we have went to the shop, we saw that only with 2000 rupees we can buy only 4 shoes only, okay, or 3 shoes only. So we have planned to buy how much? 5, but actually we are buying how much? 3, right? So that is my exposed demand. Exposed demand means amount of good that the consumer actually purchase, during a specific period or during a particular period, okay. So in the example that I told you just now, that we planned to buy with rupees 2000 we planned to buy 5 shoes, but when we have went to the shop we saw that it is not possible to buy 5 shoes with rupees 3000. It is only possible to buy only 3. So actually we are buying how much? 3, but we have planned to buy how much? We are willing to buy how much? We are wanting to buy how much? 5. Okay, so this is the concept of ex post and ex ante demand. Okay, keeping up to this in this video. Thank you.